I'm wondering about setting up in this camp here. It's sort of got a natural stealth wall behind it already. I don't think it's wide enough for my lavvu. Keep having a little look around. Found a perfect little spot now, tucked away behind all these fallen trees. I've come out to the woodlands today for a bit of R&R. It seems to me like people are getting very, very antsy and heated at the moment due to current climates. I think the best thing is to just come out, have a bit of time in the woods, have a chill, get away from it all, get back to reality, because this is reality. And shut off, turn the phone off for a couple of hours, bring the dog out for a walk, just go exploring through the woods. I've got a bit of food and a coffee to cook up, and I'm just going to enjoy myself, get back to nature. So I recently hit the big 4-0. I got a special present from my wife, the Castrom number 10. I was so chuffed to receive this. I've been fancying a nice knife for ages. Now, Rob Evans, woodsman, did take pity on me the other day and he sent me like a really tidy knife, a Condor it was. So now, I've got two nice knives. But you can never have too many, can you? Yeah, I've been really itching to get out and try that out, you know. What I need to do now is collect a bit of wood. So I've got the little wood burner, and I can cook on top of that. Found myself a bit of fatwood here. What happens when a pine tree dies? It collects on the knots. Now you're better off waiting for the whole tree to rot. This part will not rot. So you'll have one at each intersection here. When you snap it, you can smell it as well. Hit the jackpot. Look at that. That is full of resins in there. And it comes right down to here, it looks like. There it is. Full of that pure sticky icky. Another score. And there's more roots here. I was thinking, I don't know if it's worth pulling that root out. Look at this. That is pure all the way through. No smoke. Dry as a bone. Even with the mosses on it. I thought there was going to be a bit off that. Full of resins as well, this pine wood. Burns like stink. Look how high it is. I can't believe how much it's blazing. I've only put a couple of little sticks in there. Just want to build up a couple of embers at the bottom. And I can get this pan on there. For the main course, cheese, leek and ham pasta and sauce. Take half the powder away. Coming in? Do you want to come in here? Come on in. In here. Good girl. What's this? He hidden. Pretty hard to spot. I'm not throwing that stick for you until I get my pasta, right? I think I'm going to have one more cup of coffee for the road and then I'll catch you on the next one. This dog will not leave me alone. Catch you on the next one. Cheers.